Going to be seasoning in my Oxenforge 36 centimeter 14-inch round bottom wok that I just got off a slow boat. Going to be doing it on my custom Phoenix from Arizona BBQ Outfitters, following the instructions from Brad from Oxenforge. Really helpful with some pretty easily written, repeatable instructions on how to season in one of these fancy schmancy woks. They are not light, pretty heavy, sturdy. I added a wok ring to my Phoenix cooker for this 25 jet burner on the side, so super excited to get a lot better managing my wok hay and improving on some Chinese cooking, along with barbecuing on my Phoenix. Pretty simple. Rinse it off with water, dry it, heat it back up, add some oil, get going with some ginger and some green onions. Get the oils from the ginger and onions to help season the wok. It's pretty well seasoned coming out of the box, but the recommendations were to do this first to season it really well. Love my silicone mat on the left, really helpful for organizing and holding the different utensils needed for Chinese cooking and oils. I'll be doing some water and oil bowls over there. Really helpful having a super sturdy side shelf for all this stuff. Still getting used to the tools, figuring out which ones are good, work better. Gonna practice my flipping here on a couple cooks. But really nice big 14-inch wok ring, or 13-inch, I don't remember what size it was, steel ring that we added to the Phoenix. It was an easy add-on. I like the ladle, it's pretty good. Just cranked up the heat here. Get those BTUs a-flowing. Really quite impressive. I was all giddy when I saw this jet burner in action in some of David's videos on Facebook, the owner of Arizona BBQ Outfitters, and immediately thought, I'm going to put a wok ring on that. Nothing too exciting or difficult, pretty easy to do. Gotta work on my wrist flipping. Gotta watch some more videos. But just love the flexibility of this cooker. Customizations I was able to do with David. I'll do a kind of walkthrough of my Phoenix coming up. But I need to season this, and I need to season my 2 griddles that I got from him. Let it cool. Wipe off the oils, and then you add in some water. Wipe it down, add a little oil, wipe it off. Pretty much done. Ready for some Chinese cooking. I'm excited. Definitely be a learning curve, but I'm excited for it. Thought I'd share something simple. Enjoy.